Hello, my name is John Penkert, and I'm the owner and founder of Blue Water Crypto Club. I think what often happens for people when it comes to cryptocurrency is because it's a brand new technology, it's very intimidating for them. And it's very hard to get good information because it's an unregulated security until more recently when the administration has created it as a legitimate investment vehicle. And so that oftentimes intimidates people, and it's hard to know where to get good information on cryptocurrency, where to invest, what to invest, where to put your money. Cryptocurrency often creates misconceptions because of the get-rich-quick aspect. People try to get involved thinking, oh, I'm going to make a lot of money, and anytime you can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. So very, very lucrative to be involved in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. But you shouldn't get involved because you're trying to make a lot of money fast. Get-rich-quick schemes don't work. One of the biggest roadblocks when you're talking about cryptocurrency is the fact that there's not a lot of information out there on what platforms to invest in or what currencies are good. Oftentimes, if you were to invest in a stock per se, you could buy a stock and you might make money or you might lose money. In cryptocurrency, it can be very dangerous. You can't just lose money, you could lose your entire investment because of the cryptocurrency markets. And so if you make one wrong move with your wallet, or a lot of times there are people that are looking to get you to give up your private keys, and then they can take the capital out of your wallet. So it has been in the past very dangerous, and it has caused a lot of trepidation for people. 10 years ago, I began to publicly speak in the cryptocurrency space. Some friends of mine connected with some gentlemen out of Europe, and we started our own altcoin. We were mining a coin for about 10 cents a coin, ended up turning that into $2 a coin, and that was when Bitcoin was under $300. So very lucrative opportunity, and that was really how I kicked off my career 10 years ago. Ultimately, my core philosophy is following the lead that the government gives us, right? They want to make the United States the leader in Bitcoin, the leader in cryptocurrency, and they're starting a global crypto reserve, and I think every person in America should start their own crypto reserve treasury in Bitcoin. So a lot of people, when I got started on the journey, joined a DAO, a Decentralized Autonomous Organization. As a matter of fact, the Robert Kiyosaki organization, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, says that a DAO, a Decentralized Autonomous Organization, is a $10 trillion industry that nobody knows about. So a lot of us got involved in a DAO. It cost us about $700 to get involved and begin to learn. And the best thing to do is to join us on this venture. We're a private community that teaches people about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and how to take advantage of what we think is the largest wealth transfer in the history of the United States. I think the biggest thing that differentiates me with other people is not just my experience, but the fact that we know how Decentralized Autonomous Organization works. And because we have people all over the world that are interested in the DAO, it gives me an opportunity to just advise them on cryptos in general. It's really easy to get caught up in the hype, in the get-rich-quick aspect of cryptocurrencies. And anytime you can make money, you can lose money. And so I tell people, look, the time to really get the big high-risk, hypey opportunities were really pre-COVID. Today, stick with the companies that we know, the ISO coins, the companies that are going to be in the ETFs. Those are really the cryptocurrencies that you want to stay with. They're the most secure, in my opinion. After I have an opportunity to share my knowledge about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, I want people to feel safe and secure, and most importantly, I want them to have a really good feeling about their financial future. It's kind of like buying the winning lotto ticket on Friday, getting the winning numbers, then you got to wait until Monday before you can turn it in. But that feeling of accomplishment is really what I want them to feel. So my work in the crypto space, I don't think is necessarily going to shape the future in the financial industry. There's Wall Street geniuses that are much smarter than I, and they've already navigated those waters. My job is to educate people on the very best places to embrace and invest in the crypto space.